Okay, so drill number 3 is a drill not only for proper timing and sequence. We know today in the modern game we need a little more delayed timing. We like to use the lower body to generate speed and power as opposed to traditional timing, which doesn't really have a power step. This drill has a multiple use as in most drills. So the first is to create proper tempo, good timing, and a power step. We know that today a power step is a fundamental on the boys' side to create more power, to create more speed using the lower body. Also, today, especially in the men's game, we have to get in front of the ball return because we run out of lane. So they have to have a way of creating enough ball speed while maintaining their game. So this allows them to move in front of the ball return when we're playing between the 5th and 6th arrow and keep that good tempo and keep that good ball speed. Okay, so here we are with the third drill called the 3-step drill, and we know that we use this for multiple reasons. One, in the modern game, especially on the men's game, we know we have to have a power step to create more speed and rev rate that is required to score in the environment. And secondly, when we run out of room later in the tournament, we quite frequently have to get in front of the ball return, and they have to be able to deliver the same speed and the same power versatility with a shorter distance. So it requires us to get in front of the ball return. All right, so the first thing we're going to do here in this is, again, the correct setup. And as you can see here, Giorgio, who's a real professional at this drill, this is one of his favorite drills, is he's going to start with his right foot forward, his left foot back, okay? Most of his weight is going to be here, right? And he's going to have about 10 to 20 degrees of spine tilt, all right? And as he starts to get the ball into the swing, and this is critical, he's going to move the ball, right? And then and let this ball fall first before he takes a step. And then he's going to add a little bit of back angle as he comes forward. Now this step, the power step, is going to be very, very short and quick. And so notice at the top of the swing, this has reached its max height. He's got max back angle, left arm is in front, it's starting to square up to the target, and then he's going to drive off his back step into a solid foul line finish position, which is again, tied to the first drill that we've ever done here, okay? So now let's see it in real time. And you'll notice there's going to be a quickness to it, a rhythm to it. Good, one more time. There you go, and there you have it. So again, if you're trying to learn how to implement a different timing, and you're going from something that's a non-power step to a power step, this is very effective. And also, when you're trying to get in front of the ball return and keep your speed and rhythm and timing and playing between the 5th and 6th arrow, this is also a very effective drill. Okay, good luck.